discuss an important chapter which is called a polynomial. This is useful to the students of class 9, 10, 11 and 12. Listen carefully. First we go through the definition of a polynomial. What is the meaning of a polynomial? Polynomial is nothing but an expression, okay, which has some conditions. What is the meaning of expression first of all? Can you express about an expression? Expression is nothing but a combination of a variable and a constant by the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Is it clear? That is expression. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients which involves only a non-negative integer exponents of variables. That is called a polynomial. You didn't understand, I think, what I said, the definition. I know. So, okay, by taking one example, you can understand. Here nothing. We are taking one expression. Okay, that expression should follow some conditions. In the given expression, the power of the variable is a non-negative integer. Okay, then that is called a polynomial. Finish. What is your definition? For that, I have given explanation now. Is it clear? That is why we can say that the definition of a polynomial. A polynomial is an expression which is consisting of variables and coefficients and which involves only a non-negative integer exponents of a variable. This is a condition. A non-negative integer exponents of a variables. I mean that the powers of the variables in the given expression should be non-negative integer. We go through an example, then we can understand what is a polynomial. Okay, look here. First, the definition I wrote on the board. Just have a look here. Polynomial. A polynomial is an expression. Polynomial is nothing but an expression only that consisting of variables and coefficients, which involves only a non-negative integer exponents of the variables. Here, what is the meaning of a non-negative integer? You know meaning of integer first of all, the set of numbers, the set of integers, plus 1 no minus 1, plus 2 minus 2, plus 3 minus 3. Like that, okay, we have positive numbers and negative numbers including 0. Okay, that is called set of integers which is denoted by z. Is it clear? So here, the power of the variables in the given expression should be a non-negative integer. That is the condition for the expression. Then that such expression become a polynomial. Okay, just we go through an example. It's very clear to you. Have a look here. See, I am taking one example. Okay, that is x square minus 4x plus 3. What is that? X square minus 4x plus 3. First I can say that this is an expression. Why? Because there is a variable x. Okay, and the constants 3. Here also minus 4 we have. But especially in this situation, minus 4 is nothing but quotient of x. Anyhow, first of all, that is a constant. When you write along with a variable, then we can say that is the quotient. So in this expression, okay, if we see the powers, I mean exponents, powers of the variables. Here the power of x in the first term is 2. Here in the second term, I mean that is minus 4x. In this minus 4x, okay, the power of the x is 1. If there is no any number over x, that is called 1. Okay, we can take this is as 1. So its power is 1. Next the number is 3. I mean the next term is a constant, that is 3. Okay, is it clear? Now here, first in the first term the power is 2. In the second term the power is 1 for the variables which are called non-negative integers. plus 1 this is, plus 2 this is. So plus 1 plus 2 are non-negative integers. Non-negative means that is not a negative, that is a positive. So plus 2, that is a positive number, plus 1, that is a positive number. Like that, whatever expression you take, first focus on the exponents of the variables in the given expression and see whether the given powers or exponents non-negative integer or not. If they are non-negative integer, the given expression is a polynomial, no doubt. Okay, most of the people are get confused regarding a polynomial. What is a polynomial? What is a polynomial? Most of the people are doing about polynomials. I mean the problems on the polynomials, but they don't know correct meaning of a polynomial. This is the meaning of a polynomial. Okay, polynomial is nothing but an expression. Okay, then it should have one condition, that is nothing but the powers of the variables in the given expression, okay, should be as non-negative integer. I mean plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and so on. Positive numbers we want as powers for the given variables. That's it. Okay, till now I explained like a very theory part, but it's very easy to understand. Just I will say within one sentence you can remember what is the meaning of polynomial. First you write one expression, otherwise they have given one expression, see the expression and find out what are the variables, check the power of the variables. If there is a power of the variable in every term that is positive, finish, that is a polynomial, over. That's it. Is it clear? So that is why we can say that in this given expression the x power is 2, which is positive number, plus 2, and then here x power is 1, which is a positive number, plus 1, and here beside 3 we don't have any variable. Okay, that is why we can leave it, no problem. Here no variable, we can leave it. Then see, we have in two terms, we have the variables x power 2 and x power 1, which are called positive numbers. That is why such expression, this expression is called a polynomial. This is called a polynomial. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to the next, one more example I am taking. Whether it is a polynomial or not, just you have to find out. I am writing root x plus 5. Root x, this is root x and plus 5 I wrote. No doubt it is an expression. But in this expression, what is the power of x? Sir, you wrote root x, no? Where is power? Root x we can write in the exponential form. Root x is called a radical form. The radical form we can convert into the exponential form and check the power of x. Then you decide whether it is a polynomial or not, the given expression. Now come to the point here. I am writing this as root x means here outside of the radical symbol there is 2 and here x power nothing means 1 we have. Then if you convert this into the exponential form, what happens is x power already 1 we have, and then outside whatever number is there, I mean outside of the radical symbol there is a number 2 that you write as denominator. That means x power 1 by 2. So root x can be written as x power 1 by 2. Root x is nothing but a radical form. When you are going to convert into the exponential form, that becomes as x power 1 by 2. Next to plus 5 you write as it is. This is a given expression actually. In this given expression, the power of x is 1 by 2. The power is 1 by 2. Is it an integer? No. 1 by 2 is not an integer. Whether it is positive number or negative number doesn't matter here first. You check out whether it is an integer or not. If it is integer, positive number or not. Okay. So first you check out the power of the x, whether it is an integer or not. if it is integer, positive number or not. Okay, so here if you check out 1 by 2 is not an integer. Finish. This is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because the power of x is 1 by 2. Okay, the 1 by 2 is not an integer, which is called a rational number. That is why I can say that this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Now see one more example here for the polynomial. I am going to say that, okay, suppose I am writing 1 by x square plus 4. 1 by x square plus 4 I wrote. Can you guess whether it is a polynomial or not? We can say that this is not a polynomial. What, sir? Here x power 2. That is a positive number. You said no just now. That is integer and positive number. Why are you telling that is not a polynomial? Yes, it is not a polynomial. We want the variables as numerators. Let's have a look here. 1 by x square plus 4 I can write as x power minus 2 plus 4. Why? 1 by x power 2. This x power 2 I am taking as, okay, I am taking up as a numerator. Then what happens? Here plus 2, if you take up minus 2. Now check out x power minus 2 here. We have, here x power minus 2 we have. I mean negative integer we have. That is why this is not a polynomial. This is only expression, not a polynomial. Next one more example you see. So this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. And see one more example here. I am going to write that is x power minus 5 plus 3x plus 6. Now what do you say? Whether it is a polynomial or not? Not a polynomial because of x power minus 5 we have. Minus 5 is a negative integer. It is not a positive integer. They said we want a non-negative, I mean positive integer. If there is a confusion regarding power, I am telling always non-negative integer, no. That just you remember as positive integer now. Okay? Positive integer we want, okay, the power of the variable. So here x power minus 5 we have, that is not a positive, minus 5 is not a positive integer. That is why this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Is it clear? That is why we can identify the polynomial from the given expressions in such a way. Is it clear? Thank you.